In the vast wilderness of Siberia, where icy landscapes and snow-capped mountains painted a breathtaking panorama, a tapestry of remarkable animals lived harmoniously. One winter's day, as the northern lights adorned the sky, a group of curious children set out on an adventure to discover the incredible creatures that called Siberia home. Their journey led them through the taiga, where towering pine trees stood like sentinels against the winter chill. In the midst of the snowy paradise, the children encountered the Siberian tiger. Its magnificent orange coat blending seamlessly with the white surroundings. Guided by a friendly reindeer, the children ventured deeper into the wilderness. They discovered the elusive Siberian lynx, its sharp eyes observing them from a hidden perch, and the wily red fox, its fur adapting to the winter colors for seamless camouflage. As the children continued their exploration, they encountered the hardy Siberian huskies, racing through the snow with boundless energy. The huskies, with their thick coats and friendly demeanor, showcased their resilience in the harsh Siberian climate. Amidst the frozen lakes, the children marveled at the Siberian crane, gracefully taking flight, its elegant wings painted strokes against the wintry canvas, a symbol of freedom and the delicate balance of nature. Their journey reached the icy shores of Lake Baikal, where the children encountered the Baikal seal, known as the Nerpa. These playful seals, with their sleek bodies and inquisitive eyes, added a touch of charm to the frosty lake. In the heart of the Siberian wilderness, the children discovered the mighty brown bear, emerging from hibernation. With its massive frame and powerful presence, the bear roamed the snowy landscape, a symbol of strength and resilience. As the day unfolded, the children realized the delicate balance that existed among the amazing animals of Siberia. Each creature played a unique role in maintaining the harmony of the ecosystem, surviving and thriving in one of the harshest climates on Earth. As the children returned from their adventure, the snowy landscape bore witness to the enchanting tapestry of Siberian wildlife. The northern lights continued to dance in the sky, reflecting the magic and resilience of the amazing animals that called Siberia their home. And so, in the heart of Siberia, the amazing animals stood as guardians of a frozen kingdom, their stories woven into the fabric of the vast and mesmerizing wilderness. Thanks for watching.